Hey Treviso Bay fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group, and today we are over at the Peninsula in Treviso Bay. We are going to do a video tour of the Firenze floor plan. This is part of Imperial Homes, Peninsula line of homes here at Treviso Bay. It's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, plus den, 2,881 square foot. Let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful estate home. Again, part of the Peninsula here at Treviso Bay, 55 custom-built estate homes, all with golf membership in its own private gated area of Treviso Bay. When you come into the Firenze, directly to the right of the is your den here. Super high ceilings, you have the recessed lights, huge windows, letting in plenty of sunshine and light into the home. And directly across from us here, we have the garage entry and huge laundry space. Plenty of cabinetry and natural lighting with the big windows again. And that just is right off the garage entry here. Now turning back and focusing on across the den, we have the powder room. So there's your half bath for all your guests. And this leads us right into the great room area where you have this beautiful kitchen overlooking your eat-in kitchen area. And this large great room area with your recessed tray ceiling with all the decorative trim. Right off the great room is the master suite. On the left side, you have your sleeping area here. Notice again the huge windows, the recessed tray ceiling with the lighting. Huge windows, plenty of light in this home. You've got the his and hers closets, tons of space. So you've got the super high ceilings in the closets as well. You can stack your clothes all the way up to the top there. Then you've got your private water closet. Again, many times overlooked, but look at all the natural lighting that you have in the water closet here is fantastic. And then you've got the master bath here with the split vanities. And you've got the walk-through shower with the separate tub. And coming through the walk-through shower here, you'll see you've got his and hers shower heads, storage space below, and again another shower head on the wall there. And nice sized tub as well. So coming across the great room area here, again, here's another look at that beautiful kitchen. Then we get out over here by the guest bedrooms. The one on the left here is an ensuite. So it's got its own bathroom, full bath, with wall-to-ceiling tile. Beautiful home. Plenty big enough bedroom space here. Again, the large windows letting in plenty of natural light. And then here you've got 2 closets. You've got one set up more the traditional way with your wood shelving. And then you've got this one here, which is set up like a linen closet. Now, directly across this bedroom, you've got the common bath here. Again, with floor-to-ceiling tile. And this butts off the last bedroom, which also has a beautiful view in the back of the lake here at Treviso Bay. Now, last but not least, you have the outdoor space, which the Firenze gives you tons of under truss living space here. Plenty of room for entertaining outdoors. And that extends all the way over there by the outdoor kitchen. So tons of under truss space here to be protected by the elements. And this all overlooks your beautiful custom pool here and the lake. All right, guys, so this is the Firenze floor plan over here at Treviso Bay, part of the Peninsula line of homes. If you're interested in one of these properties, you can call us direct, 239-671-4046. That's 239-671-4046. You can also email us, roberto@trevisobayatnaples.com. Again, that's roberto@trevisobayatnaples.com. For all the latest and greatest information about Treviso Bay, you can visit us online, trevisobayatnaples.com. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.